Welcome back to SOKO.
Welcome back to SOKO. She said it. Thank you. Finally, you said it.
Yeah.
I would like you actually to introduce yourself properly and what you do, what you're about, and why we're actually having you on the show today.
Okay.
Yes, please.
So my name is Shiro. Well, officially I'm Wanjiro Karaoke.
Good. You see, I knew your name. You see, I knew your name.
You called me Werimo earlier.
Apana.
Yes.
Okay.
You called me Werimo.
Kenyans.
Anyway, so yeah, Shiro. I'm the CEO Taji Cakes. Taji Cakes.
Ah, good.
So we are a bakery. We are located in Ruiru.
Okay.
So we basically do all kinds of cakes for all occasions.
By
So
all kinds of cakes, what do you mean exactly?
well, for birthdays, anniversaries, weddings. We love weddings. Weddings. Even for
How
no
is it
reason.
going for you guys now?
Actually,
Especially?
on Friday we had a wedding. Well, for just the guest list was I think 14 people.
Okay.
But we got to do their cake. And it was such a nice, lovely, intimate event.
Haikuwa na pressure.
Haikuwa na pressure. You know, you can imagine budget, has been cut by like I don't know how much.
Honestly,
yes.
Hoping my wife is not watching. I wish this was the time I was doing our
Me
wedding.
too. I'm so with you. I wish I was getting married now. But
Yeah, like
anyway.
I'm not encouraging anybody at the moment, but you know, it's a good time to get married.
It is. Yeah. So cakes for all occasions. You don't even need an occasion to eat cake.
Yeah,
you know, you're just home and you feel,
Wait, but you're forgetting May babies. If you are a May baby,
I was getting there. I was getting there.
Okay, so.
And we've actually had a lot of this. You know, people are just home and you're wondering, okay, how do you entertain your family? So people order cake just because I know birthdays happening, in this COVID season.
So are cakes a healthy option? Are your cakes a healthy option?
My cakes are a healthy option because we use very, high quality ingredients. We'll go for the best quality butter. We'll go for the best quality, eggs and all that. Use whole milk. So
whole milk.
Yeah, whole milk.
Si maziwa kawaida.
No. By whole milk, I mean we're not using milk substitutes.
Okay.
We're not using egg substitutes.
Good.
And they're quite a bit in the market. So don't eat too much of it. Again, we have sugar and all those things. But once in a while,
you can indulge.
You can indulge. Yeah.
So I'm assuming if I'm buying your cake, let's say a 1 kg, and I'm storing it, how long do you think it would last? Deep freeze or kawaida tu kwa fridge?
Kawaida in the fridge, it will last you about, well, depending on the kind of cake. There's some cakes that will go for up to 7 days. There's some very fresh cakes that will stay for about 2-3 days. So we advise the clients, depending on the kind of cake they get from us. So like, for example, if you get, say, a black forest, it has strawberries inside, it has fresh dairy cream, it will definitely go bad within 3 days. Don't keep it beyond 2-3 days.
And because I'm excited for the story today, Aki, leo umetu, you made us a cake.
You're having sugar rush even before
I know.
cake.
Sorry. You made us a cake.
Yes, I did.
So guys, she made us a cake. That's the point. She made us a cake today to celebrate the 5th episode. Am I right, guys? Yes, I am right. 5th episode of SOKO. And this is only because of you. And because of that, we'll give you 2,000 bob per kg. You can get any of the cakes that she has on offer. And that, I mean, vanilla, marble, lemon, orange, coconut cake, black forest,
white forest,
red
velvet,
cake,
pina colada, all of them.
Hizo zote.
Yeah.
2,000 kg.
Yes.
So now is a good time, not only for May babies, but also to celebrate SOKO episode. So I want to know, tell us about the cake you made for us, tafadhali.
So the cake I did for the show, it's a mix
Thank you again. Thank you.
Welcome.
Yeah.
It's a mix of orange, which is actually our best seller. We sell a lot of orange cakes. I mean, it's fresh, it's, very citrusy, so it's a mix of coconut and orange.
So what do you call that cake?
I don't know.
Okay.
Cocoa orange? I don't know.
Cocoa, I like that. Cocoa orange.
Yes.
And how I would like to see its texture. I would like to see, does it taste, maybe nimbao and
don't take my word for it.
Yes, I would like to know how this cake tastes. Is it possible to taste this cake?
Can we eat cake?
Tafadhali. So now would be a good time to cut for us that cake. I would like to actually myself, I don't know about other people. I think not everybody in this station eats cake. Actually,
It's
majority wameniambia hawatakula.
It's fine. It's fine.
Yes,
It's okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
sorry, I've been looked at badly. Sorry, forgive me. Many people at this station take cake. So you'll also be expecting orders from people from within the station. So that's a good
fine.
thing.
Yes.
But also at this time, why do you think it's a good time also to indulge in cakes? And also I want to know about your business. How long has your business been going on?
Okay.
Yeah.
So we are turning 4 years this June.
4 years.
Yeah,
so you've been in the industry.
Yeah, we've been
for
in
a
the
bit.
industry since June of 2016.
Amazing.
Yeah, it's been an interesting journey, just learning the business, growing. I started as a one man. Wanted to say one man guitar, but
It's okay.
solo. I would get the orders, bake, decorate, deliver, clean up, marketing, everything. But then as the years went by, the company grew, and now we have employees.
Okay.
We have a good number of employees.
Okay.
Yeah, so we are happy for the growth. It's been an amazing journey. I get to do what I love doing most.
Amazing.
Yes.
You no longer bake at home, I assume.
No.
Unless it's for your family.
Yes, unless it's for my family. So I have I like calling it my workshop. Okay. So yeah, I built a small workshop.
You're like a guy. You have your own garage. You have your own car.
Yes, complete with tools.
Complete with tools.
Yes.
Yeah,
So I have a bakery workshop where we do all the production.
Okay.
Yes.
Interesting. Like, why are you still continuing in the business? Everybody's saying business is bad at this point in time because of COVID.
Yes,
and minus the COVID, there is nobody wants actually to do business anymore. Ngoja season
What's a COVID issue?
What's a COVID
Yes,
issue?
that's the line.
So how are you managing it now?
It's been a challenge, but I thank God we are still managing to be in business. Of course, business has gone down as expected. But interestingly, people are still eating cake. And I think part of the thing we have been doing even in our marketing, we are trying to tell people, don't let this season, don't let your birthdays go uncelebrated. Okay. Because your child may not care about COVID or anything. Then they know it's their birthday, they want cake. Okay. And that's why we're trying to also, entice people and give them nice offers, like what you're doing now. We've slashed our prices from 2,000 to 2,004. From 2,400 to 2,000, just to get people to, order more. Okay. When COVID is over, you're going to remember the memories you created with your family.
Good. I want to test that cake. Because umenichocha na nashanga kama ni ukweli. I want to test that cake. And before we even get to the testing of the cake, please remember texting. The number is 20146, or better yet, you may call in. The number is 0757129466. I repeat, the offer is at 2,000 per kg for any and all manner of cakes you might want to order from her. Yes, Taji cakes. Why Taji cakes?
My firstborn is called Taji. So it's a very not creative way of naming businesses.
It's okay. Yeah. Forgiven.
So, yes. Plus we're looking for a simple name that it's not easy to forget. So Taji it is. Actually, I get many people calling me Taji. Okay. Most of my customers don't know my name.
Interesting. Okay, so yes. against my producer's wishes, I want that cake. I still want to taste it.
Taste it.
Nancy, can I get a taste of that cake, please? It's the only reason I'm standing here.
It's okay, this cake.
I need to know this. SOKO 5th episode, right? 5th episode. And why did you offer this for us?
Well, it's a chance to share happiness with Metropol guys, with you guys at SOKO. And you've been so good. Bringing us on the show, we appreciate it.
Thank you.
We appreciate, this COVID season, we deeply appreciate it. So this was just a small way of saying thank you for having us on the show.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you too. We are happy to have you on the show.
Thank you.
Cake, please. Please remember to text in. The number is 20146, or you may call in. The number is 0757129466. Cake is coming soon to a screen near you. But even minus that, please remember at 2,000 per kilogram. My experience of her cakes is that they go above 2,400. This is an offer for SOKO. But even better than that, she's reduced it to 2,000, only 2,000 per kilogram. So for any cake that you take at 1 kilogram and above, please remember it's at 2,000 per kilogram. 2-day delivery. It will be delivered to you fresh and clean 2 days after you're ordering. So please guys, order now. May babies, even June babies, or if you just want to have a good moment during this season. So cake time. I've been waiting for that cake, guys, but I'ma die. Cake, yes, it's for me, it's not for her.
I don't get to eat cake?
No, this is for me. And I assume my co-host, she'll kill me if she doesn't get to taste this cake. Please help me with another.
I don't get to eat cake.
I will not comment further, because this is our cake.
Go right ahead.
You call it what?
There's orange and there's coconut.
Okay, orange and coconut.
Yeah.
Orange
so I believe
and coconut. Oh, good. This
the part
is
you're
good.
about to have.
This
Stop
is
butchering the
no.
cake.
I need to know if it's true, bwana. Ni kujulia hii keki yetu, you know.
She's butchering the cake.
I don't like hard cakes, so this is good.
It's not hard.
It's a bit. It's just that we're on screen.
Oh,
on
you're
TV.
confirming that it's not
so
hard.
let's go.
That's
Okay.
coconut, right?
Okay. Okay. Brenda, I don't know. Please help her with another oral serviette, please.
I think I can just sanitize my hands, so I can just. I really do want to.
Social distance. Okay. Sawa. Keki chukua.
He's being so stingy with the
I'm so
cake.
stingy with the cake.
Ni ukweli?
It's amazing.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Just like
It's
fresh
actually
oranges.
amazing.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's
Wow.
actually amazing. So we don't have
Yeah.
one for you. We'll talk about that later.
I'm going to get the other piece and just walk out. Yes.
Hey, okay. Good cake.
Tell me.
Okay. Good, very good cake.
Thank you. Thank you.
Sina skuma kwa mena?
Hapana.
Okay, so
Thank
asante sana.
Most welcome.
Thank you so much. Fifth episode of our show. Courtesy of everybody who's watching. And we just received a cake from Taji Cakes.
Yes.
Please remember, if you need to order, text in. The number is 20146 or call in. The number is 0757129466. I must admit, for people who don't like a lot of sugar on cakes, this is it. And I'm going to move on because if we continue about cakes, please don't leave. You're with us.
Okay.
Hey, woo! And this was good.